Went to the dealer for that first oil change, y'all. Just wanted y'all to see if y'all can hear this exhaust system. This fast speed is mean, boy. I enjoy taking the journey with y'all. Send me some comments. Let me know what y'all want me to send, or let me know what y'all want me to post on the videos. I can also do some videos on some other vehicles too. Range Rover, BMW X6M, B4R. Got some more cars coming, baby. It's a beautiful day to be alive. I will say, I appreciate everything from Paragon, Chevrolet. Y'all did a hell of a job on this vehicle, man. I done had almost every vehicle. This is top notch for the money. Top notch. I'll talk to you guys soon. Let me know what you guys want me to post. Tron's Adventures. 1.